Here you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Grab the ball. Over here. Ready? You need to grab the stick. Ready? Come swing. Watch. See? Come on. You go 1, 2, 3. Okay, your turn. Ready? Ready? Go for it. Ready? Here we go.
Mommy, help me.
1, 2, 3, and swing. Whoa! Good ball. She's like, whoa, I hit it far. Good job. Post that as under golf lesson number 1 in her life.
In the house, which means she'll be breaking a lot of things.
Please.
Always the thinker you are.
Diana, here comes Daddy swing. Bella. Ready, Bella? Go get yours.
Yours?
That ball. The ball. The ball. Now you try it. You swing. Akia, here's the swing.